Hey everyone, if you want to create AI videos without paying anything, there are tons of great free tools available in 2026.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Some give you daily credits that refresh every 24 hours, while others are truly unlimited or very generous on the free plan. Today, I'll quickly run through the best ones, what kind of free access they offer, and what they're good for. Let's go.
First, Kling AI 3.0 is one of the strongest options right now. It gives you 66 free credit every day that refresh every 24 hours. No credit card needed. Best for realistic and cinematic video with natural movement and physics. Next is Pixverse AI. You get around 60 daily credit plus some initial credit when you sign up. This refreshes every day. Best for quick social media clip, text to video, and image to video. Google View 3.1. Inside Google Flow or AI Studio is very reliable. You get daily credit plus around 100 monthly credit with a regular Google account. Just sign in with Gmail. Best for high quality cinematic clips, sometimes with audio sync. That is Flow AI. We call it Flow AI. Pika Labs is fun and creative. The free tier gives you credit that reset regularly, often 30 to 80 monthly with daily refresh elements. Best for stylized, experimental, and effect-heavy short videos. Join via Discord or web. Genmo AI with the Mochi model offer free daily fuel credit, around 50-100 per day depending on the day. Best for motion focus clips and experimenting with open source style models. Vidu AI, also called VU AI, gives you some free credit on sign up and daily login credit, around 5 plus per day, plus unlimited generation in off-peak mode for some features. Best for multi-short stories and anime style cartoon videos. You can also earn some points by completing the tasks that you are seeing there. For example, complete profile, you get 5, create reference 10, rate us 10, create video, and so on.
If you have watched till this extent, join our WhatsApp community where creators share their AI video creations, prompts, and tips every day. The link is in the description below.
Vheer AI is super easy for beginners. Core features are completely free and often unlimited. No sign up needed for basic use. No watermark on many outputs. Best for quick image to video and simple text to video without limits. CapCut AI tool is built into the popular free video editor. Many AI video generation features are free with generous daily use. Best for beginners who want auto-generated videos from script or prompt, plus easy editing. Hugging Face is perfect if you like open source option. Many text to video demos and models are free to try directly in the browser. Some have queues during busy times. Best for experimenting with different models without any cost. Qwen AI from Alibaba offers simple free generations with daily limits that refresh. Best for good quality and more control over your prompts. Digen AI gives you a starter credit, around 300 on sign up, plus daily credits after that. Best for image to video with realistic voice sync and cinematic scenes. Meta AI is available inside WhatsApp or Instagram. or Facebook, where supported. It is completely free for simple generations with no strict daily limit for basic use, best for quick and easy visual or short animation. One AI 1 2.2/2.5 focuses on physics-based realism. It is free via Hugging Face demo or open source access, and some platforms give daily credit, and is also free in the main one AI. You can even run it locally for unlimited use if you have the hardware. Best for realistic street scenes, natural movement, and detailed physics.
So here's a quick recap of the free options.
Kling AI. 66 credits daily realistic and cinematic. Pixverse AI. Approximately 60 credits daily social media clips. Google VO. Flow. Daily plus monthly credits high quality. Pika Labs. Regular refresh credits creative effects. Genmo AI. Daily fuel motion experiments. Vidu. Vu AI. Daily login plus off-peak unlimited stories and anime. Vheer AI. Often unlimited and no sign-up quick and easy. CapCut. Generous free AI features beginners and editing. Hugging Face. Free browser demos open source experimenting. Qwen AI. Simple free generations control and quality. Digen AI. Starter plus daily credits image to video. Meta AI. Free in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook quick visuals. One AI. Free demos, open source realism and physics.
These let you make several short 5 to 10-second videos per day. When daily credits run out, just come back tomorrow. Or rotate between tools for more output without spending money. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple AI tips.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.